Welcome to our channel, a place of inspiration for those who constantly strive to become a better version of themselves. For more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Life is just another name of hurdles. Without it, no life is complete. Meanwhile, most of us grope our ways through the ups and downs. Along with all of these obstacles, we learn new skills and discover things that we weren't aware of. Nevertheless, in this technology-driven world, where advancement allows us to crowdsource knowledge, it is good to learn the most valuable set of life skills from different people around us. So, let's dive into 16 skills that may be daunting to learn, but can surely pay you off forever. Without further ado, number 1, time management. Some people may consider it an ability, but time management is undoubtedly a skill that anyone can learn at any stage in life. The thing that stops people from acquiring this skill is the tyranny of urgency. Freeing up little things on time can give you more energy to perform more efficiency on every single day of your life. Second, resisting gossip. To most of us out there, relationships are fundamental, and the foundation of every relationship is trust. However, you can lose faith in anyone by talking about them behind their back. If you want to keep strong relationships with someone, try avoiding gossiping behind their back. Number 3, confidence to speak publicly. Speaking publicly is a skill that lasts forever, unless you're traumatized by a bad experience. However, some of us may feel conscious while doing it, as it is a skill that you can't learn in a day or two. With persistence, you can learn to speak publicly, and it gives you the confidence to express your views to many people. Number 4, minding your own business. Finding yourself in other people's work isn't a good idea. Instead, it wastes time and energy. However, this also is a skill that takes time and effort to learn. Number 5, being honest with yourself. Believe it or not, so much of what we tell ourselves are more lies. This is why most people don't know themselves. However, if we somehow acquire the habit of being fiercely honest with ourselves, we get respect and integrity. Number 6, listening. Listening to people can give you 2 benefits. First, you get to hear everyone's side. Secondly, you give others the privilege to be heard. Both of them make you a better person. Number 7, learn to say no. Based on a University of California study, being unable to say no can lead to stress, depression, and burnout. Saying no to new commitments honors your existing ones and allows you to complete the previous ones successfully. Number 8, getting good sleep. The harms that occur during sleep deprivation are far-reaching and indeed affect your physical health in general. It is essential to make sure our body is getting enough rest. Without it, we cannot perform efficiently on our next day. Number 9, empathy. The ability to feel what others feel is what makes good people great. If a person has all the money and success in the world, but does not emphasize with others, he won't have many people left. Number 10, self-positive talk. It does not matter what others think about you. You need to know what you want. Having positive self-talk allows us to cope up with the rest of the world. When you feel low or at the edge of giving up, look at yourself in the mirror and say, I can do it. Number 11, consistency. When people reach the top, they often stop working hard. They must understand that to retain their top position, they must work harder and be more consistent in their efforts. Number 12, learn a new language. Mastering every aspect of a culture is essential while learning a new language. Learning a new language is fun as well. It could be a fantastic present for you. This is something you should put on your bucket list. Number 13, avoid whining. We need to halt whining about what will or will not happen, what we have and what do not have, and what someone did or did not do. Practice without moaning, critiquing, or complaining in our daily existence. Number 14, confidence. You may have pondered how certain people overcome obstacles and achieve success. Self-confidence is the only secret to their success. You should increase your self-esteem and transform failure into success. Number 15, ability to negotiate. Every action you take is a sale or a negotiation. If you want to get a girlfriend or boyfriend, you must persuade them that you're an appropriate person for them. If you desire a job, you must sell your capabilities as superior to those of the other candidates. And number 16, ability to break a task into minor tasks. The majority of us focus on the outcome, such as, I want $1 million. But we never break it down. Breaking any task down into smaller parts helps you complete it in less time and with more perfection. So, the bottom line, studies show that lifelong learning pays beyond the skills you acquire. This is why we should never stop learning. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video.